Hello, crafty friends. I am back sharing this cute little purchase that I made from Polite Creations shop. And let's go ahead and get on into this. Okay, guys, so I took off the packaging here, and I love how it comes in this super cute box, like a little pizza box. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I'm also trying to create a reel as well. So I'm sorry if this seems choppy, but let's go ahead and pull out what we have. Let me save this box because it's too cute. Oh, I love this too. She has her little tag right here, her little card, and it has her information on the back. It says find projects and shop felties, www.politecreations.com. And then she has her Instagram, which is at Polite Creations, her YouTube, Polite Creations, and then she has her P.O. Box information here as well. Okay, so this is what I ordered. I ordered a super cute Halloween theme because I love Halloween, and she has her little thank you sticker on there. That's so cute, and she has it packaged nicely. I love it. So this is a 5x7, I believe, double zipper pouch, and so my wallet is broken, and I thought, okay, I need to get another wallet or slash change purse. And I thought this would be perfect to hold my credit cards and my change in here. So let's open this up and look at that. It's got a cute little buffalo check pink pattern on the inside. That's what it looks like to me. It's like a faux leather. So we have a pleather. I love this gold zipper here. That's so pretty. And it's really nice quality too. It's not like a cheap zipper that you get when you buy stuff at the store, right? So gosh, I really love this. This is super cute. So this is going to hold a lot of stuff. I know it'll definitely hold my credit cards in there. Then I also ordered a super cute mug rug. And this says, I am a mug rug. I'm bigger than a coaster and smaller than a placemat. Perfect for holding your coffee or tea and a little snack. Don't be afraid to use me. Gently wash in cold water and air dry, and I'll be good as new. So, I think you're supposed to take out, when you do wash it, right? You're supposed to take out the little center here. And she actually, I think she has it Velcro. Is this sewn in here? Oh, I guess it is. Okay, so my bad. I thought there was like a little quilt thing on the inside of this, but look, is this not super cute? It says the witch is in. I love all the stitching. That is so cool. This is how it's embroidered like this. And so now I can just have my cute little coffee cup here and put a little snack down there too. And anyway, guys, definitely check out Polite Creations, her YouTube channel and Instagram. Follow her social media, and definitely check out all the products she has in her shop. She's got some really cute stuff, and she's already got her stuff for Christmas coming up soon. I'm almost afraid to tell you because I don't want y'all to go in there and take it all, but because I want to order some stuff too. But anyway, so I'm super excited. But guys, definitely check her out. And again, that's Natasha with Polite Creations. Now, I also have another little goodie, and let me just pause the video for a second so I can do my little finish my reel for this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got a package from Debbie Adams, and again, she's Creative Life by Deborah. So let me go ahead and get going on this. Just open this up. It'll take me forever to peel it back, but now I feel like it's taking me forever just to cut this open. But she sent me some happy mail, so I have no idea what it is. I'm going to show. I just know she said it was from Tonic Studios. That's all I know. So let's go ahead and get this open. Ooh, see, she put my name on here. We have Tonic Studios, Craft Perfect. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this open. I'll be right back. So she did add some extra stuff inside the box. She sent me this cute little punch board that makes tags, and I thought that was super cute. Thank you so much, Debbie. I can't wait to use this. And then she also sent me this little snowflake punch, and this must be from Hobby Lobby. It looks definitely like Hobby Lobby. So, and then let's get on into what is in this little tonic box. So, looks like you have a cute little sticker that says Sweetheart Bouquet. I don't know if this comes in. I guess it does. This little Craft Perfect Tonic Studios mix card pack, and you get Hollow Waves, Luna Silver, Silver Green, and then Silver Stroke. So this is really fun. This could be for like New Year's. That's pretty. And then she also they have a little tonic craft kit. I've never seen this before. So, oh my goodness, this looking like maybe Christmas? How cool is this? Oh my gosh. Wow, look at this. That's really pretty. So you have these really pretty framed dies. And then also it comes with some stamps. Okay, so this one is like, thank you from the bottom of my heart, best wishes. Always in my thoughts, missing you, someone, and then friend. And then of course you have some flowers on here, so that's super cute. Then, okay, so they're telling you that the starts December 28th. The Christmas vault, that's awfully late. And then they also have a Campfire Critters, so that's cute. And then let's see what else we have here. Debbie just loves Tonic Studios, and look at this one. That is so pretty. Even has a little scalloped outline. That's really neat. I have never used this before, so I'm so excited to try it out. And then it gives you some information on what it's about, the Sweetheart Bouquet Kit. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is what your cards would look like if you want to make them. Or you could use these as frames for photos in your scrapbooks too, so, or layouts. Either way, you could definitely put a lot of use to that. And then also, let's see what they have in here. Ooh, what? Shut up! You get some little Nuvo Pure Sheen Confetti. I love it. Okay, gotta bust this open right now. Look at that. Guys, this is a perfect Halloween color. I love it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Let me see. Oh, okay, it's all stuck to the bottom. So I'm just going to leave that like that because I don't want to make a big old mess. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have, let me bust this open. Sorry guys, it's taking me so long. But we have the Vintage Drops, Nuvo Vintage Drops. Let's see, this is, so they're dimensional drops. Love that. Very pretty. This one is called Peppermint Candy. Then we also have Crackle Mousse. This is for a texture distress 3D effect using a heat tool. I'm glad they put that on there because I probably wouldn't have known that. So that's cool. That's a real pretty color. What is this color called? Is there a name on here? Water Nymph. And we also have another one. Eek. Okay, sorry guys. I'm trying to get this. Let me just use my scissors. Okay. This is a expanding mousse. Add a texture distress 3D effect using the heat tool. And let's see what color this one is. Misted Mauve, it looks like. I'm sorry, it's really hard to read because they have white writing on these. So I think they should switch that up. Or do white labels and then do the color on top of that. But, and then this is embossing powder. And this color is Classic Silver. So I love how they give you a little sample of that. That is awesome. And then, oh my gosh, you get a Nuvo spray. Okay, let me cut this one open. I don't know if this is what it all comes with. I think so. Or she added more in here because we have Mica Mist. This one is Pink Carnation. This is adding shimmering sparkle to a creative project. I love that. That's pretty cool. Okay. And then, that's not it. There's more, I think. Ooh. You'll also get some, looks like 8.5 by 11 sheets, or maybe 8 by 12. I think that's, I don't know, let me see here. Is that 11? I don't know. Hold on, guys, let me see. It looks like 11.5. Interesting. Okay. So we have this really pretty minty green or turquoise blue hearts. We also have this really pretty flamingo pink color. We also have a shimmer mint green. We have like another textured lilac color. We have a textured creamy white. We have, this is really neat. We have a little embossed kind of floral type thing. That's Debbie right there. I'll call her back in just a second. Ooh, we also have this mint. I don't even know, but it's like almost like chipboard. It's really heavy cardstock, but I love that. And then we have like a sparkling, and again, that's a heavy duty one. And then we kind of have like the swirls of a peach color. Love it. Oh, very pretty. Thank you so much, Debbie. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to work with all of this. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I cannot wait to get started. So anyway, guys, I will be seeing you all very soon. Again, thank you, Debbie. And thank you, Natasha, for sending my order so quickly. I absolutely love it. And I'll be using it right away. So y'all have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. Bye.